So if that girl is in fact good looking, a good person, and also clever, oh my God, that is gonna make us feel particularly less. I will tell you something. Whatever you're facing in your life has nothing to do with you. I was not going to do this video, however, there seems to be a form of social urgency surrounding this matter. A lot of you may feel unworthy, you may have low self-esteem, because this has been inflicted to you, either by your parents or by society. Eventually, by society rejecting you again and again, it's inflicting wounds in you that you're carrying on throughout your life. You do not feel enough, and eventually this rejection breeds obsession, that you always want to belong and that you always want to be giving to others, although a lot of this time you're getting nothing in return. I will tell you something. Whatever you're facing in your life has nothing to do with you. Because most of us, we think with stereotypes. And I will give you some examples to put you in the topic. This girl is good looking. However, because she's good looking, definitely she has no brains. Oh, this guy, he's particularly clever. However, he's an absolute jerk. I'm not gonna spend my time exploring him more because he's not gonna be fun to be around. You see this muscly guy with the big boulder muscles? Yeah, he's really aggressive. Although this guy could be particularly sensitive and he may be going to the gym to be hiding his own insecurities. Who knows? Now, we do stereotype people because this is a form of cognitive reserve. And through this cognitive reserve, we're just releasing some form of cognitive power. So we try and put everyone into these small boxes based on our experiences or what society and specifically the big marketing companies tell us, because we do not want to go a step further to explore this individual. And why do we do that? We do that because if we are indeed wrong, so if that girl is in fact good looking, a good person, and also clever, oh my God, that is gonna make us feel particularly less. That is gonna make us feel unworthy. That is gonna make us feel more insecure than what we actually are. So we do not bother ourselves into going out of our comfort zone and exploring and embracing the other person, although we judge them from a safe distance so that we can preserve our fragile ego. So those of you that are victims, because many people, even the ones that are bullying, even the ones that are stereotyping, they have been victims in their life. Understand that people do not like you because they do not like their own self. And these stereotypes, they inhibit them from getting to know you and embracing you. Do come out of your comfort zone, because at the end of the day, you may gain a friend which you did not have before. Have love for yourself and embrace and love others.
And everything will be different.